One of my favorite ways to show deals to potential cash buyers is by creating a website. You could do something as simple as getting a Google Sites website. Google Sites websites are free. Okay, you can host a website on Google for free. Just go to sites.google.com, pick a template, and then just start uploading the information. You don't have to be a rocket scientist to understand how to create a site on Google Sites. You can watch a YouTube video. It's very, very easy. It's kind of plug and play. Now, there's a couple of reasons why I really like Google Sites. One of them being is that it interacts with all of the other Google platforms. So let's say you get someone to go take pictures, they upload it to a Google Docs or a Google Drive. You can link the Google Drive directly into the Google site, and it'll pull those pictures out for the cash buyer to see. Also, if you decide to make a video, which we love to do, we love to make a YouTube video, you can add it as private or unlisted, and then add the link. You can embed it directly into your website. That way, when the cash buyer goes into the landing page, they can see a video walkthrough of the property. And this really makes it easier for the buyer to be able to pull the trigger on the property. If you can go in and get them a video and tons of pictures of the property that they can go through and see. We like to put all of the comps up there. We like to put as much information as we have. We put it onto our website. You can also put forms on there. They can put their offer in directly from your Google site. One of the things that I say is that you can do this several different ways, right? You can make individual landing pages for each property. So let's say you found a property 123 Main Street. You'll make the Google sites 123 Main Street hot deal, right? Send it out. Or you can make a site for your business. You can make a website for that, and then in there you can put links to other web landing pages where you created other pages for your deals. One of the things that we love is that you can use a Google form to create a form for them to go ahead and put their information in if they're interested in buying the property. You can also collect information from them right there on the Google site, and it really is very, very intuitive, and it makes it easier for other people to share your property as well. So let's say you send it out to a buyer, they need to send it to someone else to get some approval on it. They got all the information. There's no need for you to hit me up and have to go back and forth, because I'll let you know up front that all of the information I have, I've put on this Google site website, or I put on the landing page on the website. You don't have to say there's a Google site website unless you want to. The great thing about a Google Sites website for showing your wholesale deals is that you don't have to pay for it. You don't have to go and buy a domain name. You can use the very generic domain name that they give you. If you wanted to change it up and do something different with the name, you can definitely go and get what they call a URL shortener. You can give it a more creative name if you want to. You can go and buy a domain name. If you want to buy a domain name, you can link that to the website. We used to use a Google site for our entire business until we started using ClickFunnels, which we do love ClickFunnels, but we still use a Google site website for certain things. Like, it's free, it's easy, it's quick. You can throw together a website very, very quick. Now, I recommend that you keep your website simple. Don't overdo it. Don't add a whole bunch of fluff that's not needed. You don't have to do all of that stuff. Just keep it very simple. You want to put your deal on there. You want to put your pictures on there. You want to put your video on there. Give them the comps that you have for the property if you have them. Give them the property report if you got a property report. Give them a video walkthrough of the surrounding areas. I like to go on Google Earth and give them a video walkthrough down the street, up and down the street, showing what's around the area, because this is very helpful if you're getting buyers that are out of state. For me, if I'm looking at a buyer that's in California for a deal that's in Texas or in Tennessee, I want them to be able to feel like they've been to this neighborhood before they purchase the property. And the best way to do that is by providing them with as much information as possible. I want you to really feel like you already know this area when you look at my website. That is probably the easiest way to get your cash buyer to view a property. Now, you can go and send emails and do all this other stuff. You can include information in emails, but just keep in mind that an email is limited on how much storage they have. So you only going to be able to put so much information into the email. You can put a whole bunch of links into the email and hope that they click on all of the links and that they navigate through all of the different links. But if you put it on the website, it is way, 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 way easier for anyone to go and just scroll through the website. They're going to see everything that you know, everything that they need to see. You can even put zoning information if you have zoning information. You can put any and everything that you have on this website. If you need to know more about how to set up a website, or if you want me to give you some more details, definitely drop it in the comments. I'll be happy to make a video showing you guys how I would do it. I can go through and set up a website for a deal and show you exactly what I would do to show that deal to a cash buyer. That is going to be, in my opinion, the easiest way to show your deal to a cash buyer is going to be setting up a website, dropping a video into YouTube if you got videos, put your pictures onto Google Drive or Google Photos, and then you can embed and link all of that stuff right in the Google site platform without having to do a whole bunch of extras. Make sure you follow KV Wealth Builders for more information on how to get a wholesale deal done. Listen, it's December 2023. We're getting ready to go into 2024. It's time to make moves, people. It's time to stop thinking about it. It's time to get past the analysis by paralysis and just start making moves. Start getting deals on the contract. Start sending them out to cash buyers and start getting deals closed. Peace.